Alright folks, I decided to do another little unboxing video today. These are little mini brands from a company called Zuru. Mini shopping brands that fit in your hand. There's apparently 5 little minis in each of these ball capsules. I bought 2 of them. I just wanted to see how cool they really are. The examples in the store look pretty neat, and I like minis now. Apparently, I get my trusty old timer knife out. Get the plastic off of one of these guys. I left up the previous photo shoot picnic table there, so I have some place to put the minis. Double wrapped in plastic. Oh, it's perforated. That's handy. It almost looks like a Pokeball, but it is segmented like a chocolate orange. Alright, how do we get these open? I guess we just, oh, there's a tab. Let's peel that open here. Let's see what we got first. Cool. Little mini box of Dum Dum Pops. Get a look at that, folks. Little Dum Dum lollipops. Impossible to read nutrition information. That's cool. To an action figure, that'd be a hell of a supply of Dum Dum Pops. Alright, let's go after the next one here. Cable's over there looking at the table like, "Where's my food, you bastard?" There it is. Oh, sweet. Skippy Natural Creamy Peanut Butter. Of course I gotta see if the lid screws off. It does not, but that's okay. A giant box of Dum Dums and a giant jar of Skippy peanut butter. And my action figures are gonna eat good, huh? Alright. Pod number 3. Oh, Dinty Moore beef stew. That's awesome. Very cool. Even got a little pop tab on top. That is so cool. And of course, the cross cell. I'll take a look at one of those later. Let's see. Pod number 4. I'm hoping for soy sauce. No, not soy sauce, but Smarties, little candies. Very cool. So we got beef stew, peanut butter, and 2 kinds of candies. Alright, pod number 5 from ball number 1. Oh, that's funny. Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream. Raspberry Mist. Aloe Infusion moisturizes skin. So I got a giant, compared to an action figure bottle or can of Pure Silk shave cream. It does say brands, it does not say all food. Alright, let me get that pod out of the way. Ball number 2. I believe it was perforated. Let's see if I can see it. There it is. Hey, it zipped all the way down. It's like peeling an onion, folks. Except I don't cry. Let's see, where's the other perforation? There it is. Yeah, the example was a really sweet looking bottle of soy sauce. Thought that'd be really neat to have since I actually used the product. Pod number 1. What do we got here? Holy oh snap. I got a tiny jar or can of Spam. It's Spam Light, but it's flipping Spam. That is awesome. Wow. I think Kay was about to get down on that. And Michelangelo approves, giving us a thumbs up. Oh snap. Bosco chocolate syrup. That is cool. Who doesn't like chocolate syrup, huh? Let's move the pure silk down here to the stem. That's awesome. Alright, let's get after pot number 3. Ooh, another candy. Warheads Extreme Sour. That is pretty neat. Man, my action figures are gonna get cavities up in here. Get out of the cross cell out of there. Alright, 2 pods to go, folks. Let's see what this one is. Oh, snap! That is so cool. It's a shiny gold Pez dispenser with the smiley face and sunglasses on. It's kind of hard to pick that up on the camera, but there it is. You can see it. That is flipping cool. It's like a damn trophy. Boom. That's awesome. All right, one more. Let's see. Give us a starch. Give us some potatoes or something. What do we got? Another can of Dinty Moore stew. That will work. Very, very cool. I think this product is most entertaining. If I can figure out where'd the dang label go. What was it called again? Mini Brands by Zuru. Mini Brands by Zuru. I'm telling you, folks. There's a little bit of noise for you. I'm telling you, folks. These little things are very cool. $6 for one little pod, or one little ball of pods, but you get 5 little products inside. I think it's worth the price, guys. I do. Let's zoom into the table here. Alright. Zoomed into the table. Let's get brighter. There we go. Where's that peanut butter? Let's get that peanut butter. Right there. That's awesome. 10 little minis to put in a diorama with action figures. You can't beat that, folks. Yeah. Lots of crinkling, lots of wrappers here. I'm having fun. Mini Brands by Zuru. Check them out, folks. Found them at Target. Peace.